Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, CS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by Emmanuel.
Sure, Steve-o.
Yeah.
Siphelele amabhakani as usual.
Yeah.
Phethe bo Frank la.
Kunande
ezweni.
Yeah.
Silo sakusaseka is coming.
Sure.
Silo sakusaseka. Silo endleleni. Number one, it's for us.
Yes.
Sishile sithi bephambini mara bayeze banikazi bendawo.
Yeah.
Sifikile ke.
We are there.
Ithi sishaya inkatara man.
Yeah.
Bozojiva. Amazebra bozojiva. Bizojiva. Sifikile thina. Sasho. Asina plumber sine coach.
Yes.
Uphi Navi? Uphi Navi?
Where's Navi?
Where's Navi? Navi is nowhere to be found. Navi is nowhere to be found. Those three, they are going. Balandi Navi. Ufikile coach wethu.
Sure.
Chile City Pirates ifikile. Bafikile la wafana ngakutshela Steve. Ngakufuna Orlando ngakuthola ngakulanda FNB. Ngakuthola ngakutshela ngithi Pirates they are on song and someone will dance. Cause they will dance. Sundowns they're gonna dance. It's Mtawa wethu lo. These are world. Asigila. Mtawa wethu. Shell up. Namtanjela. My man of the man. Man of the man. Pirates is not one man's team. I think 45 squad. We are winning the business. Thank you.